Korean glass skin. This is all the rage on social media, right? Well, now we've got a new product, SkinVive, that is added to our armamentarium to get that glowy skin. First half of this video, I'm going to talk about some FAQs from a patient point of view. Second half of the video, some tips and tricks from my fellow injectors. SkinVive by Juvederm. This is a new product. It's a hyaluronic acid. It is not a filler. Patients report glowy, hydrated, and refreshed skin. Common questions. How long does the procedure take? 15 minutes. When do I see results? Starting about 3 weeks after the procedure. And how long does it last? Up to 6 months. Props to SkinVive because they tested this in all different skin types. That means that all different skin colors are a candidate for this procedure. Patients ask, doctor, when I'm getting my Botox and my filler, can I also do SkinVive? The answer is yes. You can add this on at the same time you're getting injected and get glowy skin. If one of your 2024 goals was glowy skin, then maybe you want to incorporate SkinVive into your next treatment. All right, let's pivot to some Okay, let's try that again. Let's pivot to some tips and tricks that I have for my fellow injectors. So there's 4 things. 1 is needle length. 2 is size of the aliquot. 3 is using the proper volume of product. And number 4 is the post-procedure care. So the first thing you're gonna do, and this is very important, is your SkinVive. You're gonna open up the box. You're gonna take out this. These are the needles that come with the product. You're gonna take them, you're gonna throw them into the trash. Once you get rid of those 13 millimeter needles, now we're ready to start. You're gonna use a 4 millimeter needle because that is the proper depth to get good, consistent results. The issue with the 13 millimeter needle is you don't really know where you are. That 4 millimeter needle, now you just go straight into the hub and you inject. You're at the proper depth. You're going to get consistent results and happy patients with glowy skin. So the manufacturer recommends 0.01 to 0.05 injected approximately 1 centimeter apart on the grid on the face. In my experience, you actually want to inject 0.005, so much smaller aliquots and many more injections spread out over the grid on the face. The issue is that when people are injecting larger aliquots, they were having issues with the patients complaining of feeling nodularity on the cheeks. These smaller micro-aliquots decrease the risk of nodularity and also more evenly distribute the product across the treatment area. The third thing is using the proper amount of product. You really need to treat 1.5 vials per side of the face if you want to get these consistent results and have happy patients. The fourth thing is the post-procedure care. The night of the procedure, I have my patients gently massage, and this could be with cleanser, it could be oil, it could be any sort of topical. What does this gentle massage do? It helps to further decrease the risk of nodularity. Patients ask, how long does this last? Well, their FDA guidance from SkinVive obviously says 6 months. I'm curious to see, are there any other injectors out there that have seen this last longer than 6 months? Thanks for watching. And last, if you as an injector have a tip or a trick you want to share with me, comment below or send me a DM.